Over the past 9 days, I've made over $150, which is approximately over 120,000 naira from this latest trading platform that I'm about to show you. And I'm going to show you a live withdrawal and give you all the information you need to know about this platform, and how you too can take advantage of it and start making money for yourself. But before we proceed, please make sure you like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more free and informative content like this. And also make sure you join our Telegram community for more free trading updates and engage with new members. So with that being said, let's move. This platform we'll be using for this latest update is known as Monodx, which performs trading transactions with the help of an AI that took more than 2 years to build. And Monodx claim that they have the smartest trading bot which automates your crypto trading experience. And they also claim that they partner with big exchanges like Bybit, KuCoin, Coinbase, Bitfinance and other major exchanges. And from research, this platform took more than 2 years to build. And some of the benefits of using this platform is that you are entitled to use the 8 trading bot for free without any activation fee. And with that, you can make up to 42% within a given period of 7 days. And another benefit is that all the transactions are flexible, meaning that within any given period of time, you can decide to close any active bot and withdraw your money. And you can open multiple trades with your one-time deposit. But please take note that all the information in this video are for educational purpose only, and you should do further research before investing your money on anything crypto online, because I'm not your financial advisor. And from deep research, this platform is trusted because it's been active for a while now, and they recently did an upgrade on the user interface which makes it easy for user to navigate through their dashboard. And using this platform, your funds are 98% safe, just as they claimed, but make sure you invest at your own risk. So with that, for you to get started on this platform, you just need to click the link on the video description below. So after clicking on the link below, it will take you to this section whereby you just have to create an account on this platform. So from this sign up page, you just have to input your full name, then select your country code number and input your phone number. Then after that, you input your email address, then make sure you select a password that is secured. Then you click on sign up after completing this security captcha. And with that, it will take you to your personal dashboard whereby you'll be able to see all the information associated to your account. And since I've been using this platform, you'll be able to see my balance of $453 despite starting up with a capital of $300. So within the 9 to 10 days, I've made over $150 with my $300 capital on this platform. And don't forget that I'm going to show you a live withdrawal from this platform to my Binance account to show you how easy it is to use this platform. And taking a close look on my balance, you'll be able to see my profit which came in a few minutes ago. And the reason why there is still available balance on my profit section is that I've not claimed this $4.6 that came in a few minutes ago to my main balance. So for me to claim it, I'll just have to come to my wallet section, then scroll down to my available balance, and you can see that USDT TRC20 network, which is Tetatron, I have main balance $453 and available credit balance is $4.6. So that means when you perform any transaction, your profit will be stored here. So you just need to click on this credit icon for it to reflect back to this your main balance, just as you can see. So by the time I go back home, you'll be able to see that my main balance is now $458 instead of $453, and you can see that my profit is now 0. So from your dashboard, when you click on this bot info, it will take you to this section whereby you can see all the bots that perform all the trading transaction on this platform. And the first bot is a classic bot which has a 1.1% daily profit and 8% weekly profit. And remember, the classic bot has a minimum capital of $9. Now moving to the second bot, which is the scalper bot, you can see that you can make up to 10% on a daily basis with a daily profit of 1.16%. So basically, if you have $100 capital, with this scalper bot, you can be making $1.6 every single day. And you can make more than 10% at the end of the 7 days. But take note that this scalper bot has a startup capital of $150. That means the minimum startup capital for this scalper bot is $150. And with that $150, it can be making 1.6% on a daily basis. Now moving to this third bot, which is the ROST bot, you can make up to 16% every single week, and with that you can be making up to $5 every single day. This is the bot I later upgrade to after making up to $400, and this is the bot that made me to scale higher because I have been making between $4.6 and $5 every single day. But take note that the startup capital is $400, and if you want to start with a good capital on this platform, I will recommend this ROST bot because despite being free, it has a lower startup capital with a good return. And with that $400, it can be making $5 every single day. And moving to this fifth bot, which is the As bot, you'll be able to see that it can be making 28% every single week with a daily profit of 4%. But the startup capital for this As bot is over $2,000, and you can see that all these remaining bots are over $2,000 startup capital, which I will not recommend. And don't forget that you can also use the link below to know more about this platform. And if you want to reach out to the people behind this platform, you just have to navigate to this contact us section, and when you click on it, you'll be able to see all their connect links. So after you successfully register an account on this platform, all you just need to do is to deposit. And for you to deposit, you just have to navigate to this top section. On this wallet icon, you click on it, then you scroll down and select the crypto you want to deposit. You can deposit either Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dogecoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, or any crypto, but the one I will recommend is this USDT TRC20 network. So you just have to click on deposit, then within 5 minutes your account will be credited. But please note that the crypto you deposit is the same crypto you will use to trade, so make sure you personally decide the crypto you want to trade with before you proceed to deposit. Now after a successful deposit, all you just need to do is to make a trade, and for you to do that, you just have to navigate to this auto trade section, and from this dashboard you'll be able to see all the information you need to know about how you can place an order on this platform. So with that, when you look from the right, you'll be able to see this option that says start bot. So the first option is to select the bot at which you want to use. So by clicking on it, you'll be able to see other bots. So depending on your capital, you just have to select the one that best suits you. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to go for this scalper bot. And please take note that my available balance is over $400, but since I want to show you a live withdrawal on this platform, I will just have to go for a lesser amount so that I'll be able to withdraw like $100 to show you a live withdrawal. So when you look below, you'll be able to see this option that says choose pair. So by clicking on it, you just have to select the crypto you have available balance on. So I'll just have to select USDT TRC20/Bitcoin because that is the one I have balance on. So with that, you just have to select your period of time by which you want the trade to run. So you can see that you can leave it for 24 hours, which I always do, or you can leave it for 1 week or even 1 month, or if you know that you want to go for a long term, you can go for 3 months. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to impute 24 hours. Then after that, you'll be able to see that my available amount is now showing on this section. So I'm just going to impute the amount at which I want to trade with. So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to impute $300. Then after that, make sure that everything is correct. You just have to leave this section on auto, take profit auto, stop loss auto, because it's an AI bot that is performing the transaction for you. So you just got to click on start, then you confirm the bot, then wait for it to load up, and automatically you'll be able to see that your bot is now active, and you can see how the interface looks like. You can see that this bot, it's kind of legit, you understand. And when you look at my balance, you'll be able to see that my balance is now 105 USDT. And when you look closely, you'll be able to see that I have a scalper bot that is open, which is an open order of $353. And when I come to my account history, you'll be able to see that I've been using this platform for a very long time now, and you can see all my active and my recent transaction. So let me give you one secret. When you start making money on this platform, you just have to navigate to your wallet section, and you'll be able to see that your profit will be stored on this credit section. So what I recommend you do is that you withdraw your profit instantly, and you'll be withdrawing your profit on a daily basis. So after some days, you must have withdrawn all your capital, so you'll be left with your profit on this platform. And also remember that you can still make money from this platform, even after you have withdrawn all your capital. So you can still make money from this platform even after you have withdrawn all your capital. So after some days, you must have withdrawn all your capital, so you'll be left with your profit on this platform. And also remember that you can still make money from this platform even after you have withdrawn all your capital. without depositing. So when you come to this your profile icon, you'll be able to see this option that says partnership. When you click on it, it will take you to this your referral section. So you just have to copy your affiliate link, then share with your friends and loved one, and by the time they perform any transaction on this platform, you'll be paid commission, you understand? And you can make over $2,000 using this affiliate method alone. So with that, you can start making money on this platform without having the fear of losing your money. So now, after you have used this platform for a while and you want to withdraw your money, you just have to navigate to this wallet section. And before you withdraw money, make sure that you convert your available profit to your main balance before you withdraw your money. So by clicking on this withdraw icon, you just have to input the amount. So I will just input 105 US dollars, and you can see that after removing their 2% withdrawal charges, I'll be credited with 102.9 USDT. So I just got to input my wallet address. Then with that, I click on withdraw. Automatically, you'll be able to see that my withdrawal address is being processed and my available balance is now less than $100. So when I scroll up, then come to my history, you'll be able to see that I have a 102 USDT that is being processed. So I just have to wait for some minutes to see when this withdrawal will be processed successfully. So before I show you a confirmation on this platform, please take note of what I said earlier. Make sure you invest what you can afford to lose, because I'm not the owner of this platform and anything can happen any moment, anytime. And make sure you read their terms and conditions, which I will also place the link on the video description below, before using this platform. And taking a look on their roadmap, you'll be able to see that they still have a lot to implement on this platform. So if you are to use this platform, make sure you use the link below to get started, so that I will still earn that commission. So after waiting for just few minutes, I got a confirmation on my Binance that says that 102.9 USDT is being available on my Binance account. And when you take a look on the time for this transaction to be successful on my Binance account, you will discover that it says 3:47 AM. And when I go to my Monodx account and go to my history, you'll be able to see that the withdrawals was made 3:46 AM, which means that the deposit took only few minutes, which is like 1 to 2 minutes for it to be successful. This is to say that this platform Monodx is truly automated. So that is just basically how to use this Monodx trading platform to make an extra income for yourself. And if you have anything to say about this platform, or you have any questions, you just have to let me know on the comment section below, or you just have to send them directly to me on Twitter at simply_DMO. So if you know this video is helpful to you, make sure you show it by liking this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more free informative content like this. And as you might already know, I'm DMO, so thank you for watching and see you on my next video.